A beautiful morning. Poseidon has blessed our voyage.
Sometimes the gods bless you in the morning and curse you in the afternoon.
Do you love me, brother? Would you protect me against any enemy?
The last time you spoke to me like this, you were 10 years old and you'd just stolen Father's horse. What have you done now?
I must show you something.
Turn us round. Back to Sparta. And sail! Wait.
You fool!
Listen to me. Do you know what you've done? Do you know how many years our father worked for peace?
I love her.
It's all a game to you, isn't it? You roam from town to town, betting merchants' wives and temple maids, and you think you know something about love. What about your father's love? You spat on him when you brought her on this ship. What about the love for your country? You'd let Troy burn for this woman? I won't let you start a war for her.
May I speak? What you say is true. I've wronged you. I've wronged our father. If you want to take Helen back to Sparta, so be it. But I go with her.
To Sparta, they'll kill you.
Then I'll die fighting.
Oh, and that sounds heroic to you, doesn't it? To die fighting. Tell me, little brother, have you ever killed a man?
No.
Ever seen a man die in combat?
No.
I've killed men. And I've heard them dying, and I've watched them dying, and there's nothing glorious about it. Nothing poetic. You say you want to die for love, but you know nothing about dying, and you know nothing about love.
All the same, I go with her. I won't ask you to fight my war.
You already have. To Troy! Out ship! Set sail!